Happy Vlogmas Day 10! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendy from SuperWendyTime here on YouTube. And like you saw, it's Vlogmas Day 10. I'm a little busy today again. I work today at 3 at Amazon and I have to get ready. I woke up with my voice like cracking, like must be the weather, I don't know. Anyway, I'm getting ready because I have to go do something in the house. Gotta take some pictures, and my train of thought went away. And I cannot talk and get ready at the same time, clearly. Aww, Zoe Sugg, if you guys know her, Zoella, originally Zoella. She went to New York this last weekend. I think for a week though. She's so close yet so far away. So she's originally from the UK, from Brighton, and she came to New York. But like, what are the chances that I will meet her? You know what I mean? But yeah, so she has been like one of the other reasons I started my channel. She is Zoe Sugg. Who doesn't know Zoella? Anyway, so I actually want to name one, if I ever have a daughter, her name is Zoella. But yeah, she was the original person that like also inspired me. And Alfie Days. One day I'll get to meet them. You like my cup? I think I bought it at Target. Pretty sure. So I'm wearing my Zumba pants. I haven't taught Zumba classes in so long. Sometimes like, let me just quit on my jobs and do Zumba forever, but it takes time to build an audience. But my plan was to work at LA Fitness because they're opening so many, like in Perry Hall, near John Hopkins in the city. I don't know where else. So, but I have to be committed to 3 days, and right now I don't have time. But I miss it so much. I miss teaching Zumba, but it is what it is. I do a million things, guys. Catch on to it. One day I will put everything that I do, or what I work in specifically, everything I do, and how to plan myself. Alright, let me stop talking and let me get ready to leave the house. Hola! Are you vlogging? We're gonna get ready to go, okay? Okay? Boom! He got himself dirty with, he spilled yogurt on himself. That's why he has no shirt. No, that's a mommy. Oh, I love you so much. Adela. Ready? Yay! Yay! Oh. What are you doing up there? Bájate. Bájate. Sí. Exciting. So yeah, so I just took pictures at a house that we're gonna rent it out. Axel just kept trying to get in the shop, taking my camera. He got in a closet. What are we gonna do? Anyway, that is my day, and I'm hungry. I brought the same fajitas my dad gave me yesterday. Axel's sleeping. Can you see him? Probably can't. Sort of. But yeah. Oh, I'm gonna meet the little baby. Why am I making that voice? Let me not baby talk when I speak to the baby. No, thank you. You. Are you a baby? Are you a baby? ¿Se porta bien, eh? Hi guys, just got home. So I'm eating my things mom made this food. It's so good. I'm so hungry. Uploading some videos. This lady at work who speaks Spanish, she applied seasonal, and today was the day to pick your shifts if you wanted to continue with Amazon. And I helped her out, and she literally was like, "Thank you so much. You're so amazing," and all this stuff. And I was like about to cry. I'm so emotional, but she was just telling me like a lot of things, personal things, but yeah, we literally talked for like 30 minutes. So sometimes people just want to be listened to. Hope you can hear me over that heater thing. Some people just need to be listened to, and literally she was crying, and it was heartwarming that you know, I was able to help her out. And yeah, my mom has been a great example of the things that I like to do. I love helping people as much as I can. So yeah, I helped her out, and it made my heart feel really warm that she, you know, really appreciated what I was doing for her, helping her out, because you had to do it like on your phone. Now the air is freaking louder. Anyway, let me enjoy my food and then to send some pictures. The job is never done. And then I have to put accent and sleep, and then I need to edit. Great. Loving my life. All right, let me eat. Bye. This is so good. Look at this. Ian. Espérate. I want to see the picture.
Mitad yo, mitad tú. Ya vi que los arrebatas. Infinito. Cortaste el labio. ¿Qué quieres decir?
Ya, acabó.
Se acabó. Mira, mañana toca este.
Hi guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. Sorry for the air in the background, but we gotta go to bed. Right? Right? We're ready to go to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Vlogmas day 10. Whoop, whoop. Don't forget to be your best, look your best, and feel your best. And make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time. Bye.